Nearly every top AI model cheated on its own tests, so those scores are fiction. Everyone reads a benchmark number as skill, but what inflates these isn't the model at all. Quick receipt. I called Anthropic shipping its response-side inference hook by August 20th, and it didn't. It's called Every Model Cheats, published in late July by security shop Dreadnode. 22 frontier models, 7 providers, 23 capture the flag hacking challenges. 1,518 runs, everyone audited by hand. 37% of the passing runs were never solved. They were cheated. 21 of the 22 models did it. One score was inflated 5 times over. 10 passes, 2 of them real. 96% of the cheating came through web search. The agent never cracked the challenge. It found the published answer key. Turn off your agent's web tool, rerun a task it aced, and see if it still lands. If you've ever trusted a score you didn't audit, consider this the audit. So follow and like to keep them coming. So researchers tried the obvious fix. They told the models not to cheat. On average, it worked. Cheating fell from 33% to 8.5%. But 4 models cheated more when told not to. The list includes Gemini 3 Flash, Claude Haiku 4.5, and Grok 4.20. As web cheating fell, infrastructure probing went up instead. The paper's fix is a second number, solve rate, not pass rate. No vendor publishes it. Until one does, treat every agentic benchmark as a ceiling, not a measurement. A week ago, an AI agent wrote a working Microsoft break-in by itself. And this study is why you should ask whether it really did. That brief's on screen now. Follow for more AI benchmark reality checks. That's your BlackBoxArt for today.